What's your name, little boy? Tom, take those. You're gonna spill these? You're spilling?
You recording? With the tape in?
I'm just trying it, yeah.
What do you think, Fawn?
What?
Fawn, you have to sing.
Hello.
About to sing our song. About turkey.
No.
Let's go. Fawn. Go ahead.
Hello.
Cornbread muffin.
Go ahead, Sophie.
Cornbread muffin, chestnut stuffing, pudding pie, 1 foot high. All of us for dinner, till we came to dinner. Me oh my, me oh my.
Very good, Fawn. Was that the whole song?
Yeah. Casey. Casey. Could I see there, Daddy?
Well, we want to zoom in on Mommy.
Don't zoom in. Why are you zooming in here?
But we want to see you.
I want to see those needles flying.
Yeah, we want to see those beautiful needles. I don't see Mommy's
Mommy's knitting
head.
a scarf. There it is. Like there?
Thomas. Videotape your house.
Well, I'll probably just rewind this, and Fawny will have to sing again, and I want to set the date and time and everything.
Why? I want you to sing again.
Because you sing so beautifully.
I want to see. No. No. Hello.
Tommy, give Mommy some yarn.
No. Hello.
Hello.
Ooh. I see.
How old are you, Tommy? Say to the camera.
Daddy.
No, we don't need a boy drooling on the camera. Look at those snots.
I'm trying to see.
See how dark it is, though?
How dark what is?
The
The picture? It's not that dark. Do you think it is?
See, it takes a while. See?
I think that's the,
To adjust.
I think that could be this TV though.
I don't know how to do that.
Now it's Fawn's turn.
Okay. Now you play around with your broom. Okay. Now you tell us what's in the Don't.
Angela has a sore voice.
I know. So is my mom. Once there was a princess. Don't tell the same thing.
Wave to mommy.
See the zoom up by your fingers?
This.
Yeah.
Say hi. Oh, he's got a booger.
He's saying hi. He does have a booger.
Wave. Say hello. Tommy. What are you doing? You going to sleep? I wonder how it's gonna play. Because it's kind of far and dark.
What is
How it's gonna be on the TV.
fire? You saw it.
It was pretty good, wasn't it?
It's real good. Christmas
Wait,
Eve.
not yet. Okay.
Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, and we're tearing out the windows and framing in new ones.
And what else?
Nothing else.
Yes, there has to be.
No.
Okay, now, Fawn, you talk to me. What would you like for Christmas, Fawn?
I would like
Kinda
a
dark
freaking sewing machine.
I wouldn't
Boy,
count
it's
on
dark
that
in
one.
here.
It's a very difficult thing for Santa to make.
It's
very dark.
Make it, mister.
Well, even so.
I'm doing a night shot, Daddy. Is this okay?
Zippy, zippy, zip,
Nice
zip.
shot.
Zippy, zippy, zip, zip. Zip, 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 zip. Zip, 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 zippy, zip, zippy, zip, zip. I'm doing the zip, Mommy. Zip, zip, zip. Mommy, mommy, call me. Hey,
What's going on
I want
here?
to take the video.
Who left this banana here?
I want to take a video. Didn't I say I want to take a video?
You talk to me. Mommy, wave to mommy.
Oh, you please. Around the world, you will please. When we go around, oh yeah, around, yeah, around, you will ever see me, 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 me.
Who's Daddy's
You
boy?
will never ever see in the world.
One time you sing Rudolph.
Really see. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
How about singing your favorite song, Fawn?
And
No, let her sing. She's singing
whoever
beautifully.
saw it, you will even say it close.
Look at the camera,
All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. He never let poor Rudolph
Do the motion.
join in any reindeer game. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.
Say
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. God bless us, everyone.
Yeah. Thomas, now you sing. Boom, boom, boom.
Bum, 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 bum.
Boom, 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 boom.
Now, can I take
Come
the
on,
video
Tommy.
too?
Boom, boom, boom.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Tommy, a boom, boom song.
Do, 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 do.
I want for you a big one. That's for you.
Mommy, I think you know that sewing machine, it was in that catalog? Oh my! Look it!
Art? You're gonna make all kinds.
It's an art kit.
Cool.
I could even try it out right now. Because it comes in a case.
Not this minute, maybe you can open just to see what. Doodle, Thomas! Let's see what
What's
you
that?
can do. Let's see what you can do.
It's a doodle board, I guess. And I could bring this camping too.
Mm-hmm.
If I wanted to. Because I could do this like in night. Right?
Yep.
Or I could sew at night. And look at this on the box. We can take off. Daddy, could you help me open this?
Uh-huh.
So it probably has directions on the back.
Let's see, how do you wipe this, Daddy?
See, those black things are
Daddy, how do you
latches.
wipe this thing off?
I don't know. Probably with a rag, huh?
No. Dry marker board, maybe. Simply put the tab up and push it back down. No. How do you? Come here and see. Thomas! Thomas, what did you get?
And markers.
Cool. What's that?
Bob the Builder, big truck. Oh, look it. It's a Bob the Builder kit.
Take it out, Daddy. Take it out for him.
Want to open this?
You want scissors?
Daddy, it was the biggest Christmas ever.
Some kids I know must have friends at the North Pole. Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Daddy, for your present. I haven't even... Oh my gosh, this is gigantic, Daddy.
Oh, I didn't get that. Santa brought that.
Oh, it's the basket that you were looking for. You
I
could
know.
put lots of sewing
Wow.
stuff.
I
And
know,
you can put it
great.
right next to your chair, right by where the Christmas tree is.
Mommy and I thought it was going to be a sewing machine.
I know, this is gigantic. It's great.
But anyways, you could hear Daddy's doing. Okay. Dad!
What's that, the instructions? He talks. This is Scoop. Read the instructions, Tom.
Daddy, Tommy doesn't even know how to read.
Maybe he does.
No,
He's been playing on that computer. Maybe he learned.
playing on a computer.
Santa has been good this year.
Very good. We're getting them, Tom.
Okay.
Hang on a second, Tommy. I gotta undo this.
Daddy, would you close this for me?
Yeah. Oh. You want to take that out?
Daddy, would you close this for me? I got the black card.
Tell Santa
fix
something
that.
fun on the video. Tell Santa.
This was the greatest, bestest year ever, Santa.
Wave to Santa.
Hi.
Talk to Daddy.
Daddy,
Yeah, baby.
aren't you going to talk?
Nope.
Why? You have to. It's a video.
No.
Yes?
No.
Tell us what you're doing.
What are you doing?
Having fun.
No, you're running and taping.
No.
Yes.
You see mud?
Yeah.
Good one. That's
But-
what they call kitchen.
It's very special kind of mud.
I thought mud was brown.
Well, this is a white kind of mud.
Keep on forward, please. Okay, let's go already. Talk and ask Daddy questions.